The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, east central Dane County in south central Wisconsin, Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Thoreswick to 6 miles east of Waterloo to Sun Prairie, moving southeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Menominee Falls, Sun Prairie, Watertown, Pewaukee, Fort Atkinson, Sussex, Heartland, Jefferson, Delafield, Lake Mills, Marshall, Waterloo, Waukesha Lake, Oconomowoc, Lisbon, Cottage Grove, Merton, Johnson Creek, Deerfield, and Dousman. People attending Oxonia Town and Country Day should seek safe shelter immediately. Other landmarks included are the following locations: Pewaukee Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.